Good evening, my people. Hero family, we are back again. Thanks for watching our video. Thanks for those that subscribe for us, those that are promoting our video. We love you all. Please, if today is your first day of watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop comment and like. We love you all. We love you. Today we want to talk about rest season. Rest season of 18. We dey foreign land, we dey Europe country, even though those wey no dey Europe country wey dey countries too, our Africans, we dey talk about say this one because this race season no be today start, and time don reach wey we go put an end to all this old memory, all this ancient life. Time don reach because this life e dey draw us dey go back. E dey make us we no dey reach to where we suppose to reach because why? We wan do say we dey select. Who are you to select as a human being at all? We wan even talk sef. Sometimes we go say oyibo dem dey do us racism. Una don ask una sef, we the Africans, we no dey do ourselves the same racism? See, imagine there was one lady wey cry come out for social media last time. E dey Europe here. I don forget the side where e dey for Europe, where e born 2 children give oyibo. E cry come out say im husband dey maltreat im children. E no like am. Wetin our people dem wan talk? Dem say because e marry white. Some say because e no get friend. Who friend don help? Who friend don help? Na the same we go see dey this social media dey talk about friend, good friend. I no even see where dem talk about good friend well well. If you wan find many channel, wetin dem wan talk about na friend, bad friend e full everywhere. Mind your business. Dem dey talk about friends, as friend take dey dangerous. See the last time Regina Daniel friend dem still take am talk come outside. Then how person go do something reach to say im own e no come good? Dem go say because e dey im own. Some say because e marry white. Some say e get depression. Marriage problem no reach to get depressions. I mean to say e no reach. That one na wetin? Na wetin we dey do ourselves so. Wetin we call that one? Okay, see which day no be yesterday abi day before yesterday. We see for social media when for Napoli abi which side na police shoot our black brother. When dem come blast carry am dey go hospital. Dem don carry am put Italy police shoot Nigeria. Abeg make our people, make we just dey do the one wey concern us. We know say the police people wey shoot this our brother, e no dey right. But you don ask yourself say if to say na your country, that man for never die? That man for never die? Our country, I dey hear about as police say dey take because of 50 naira, 100 naira, dey shoot person brain dey come outside. One of our brother don from this Europe go house, e never even reach house make e go see im mama. Na road e dey where policeman take shoot am gone, wey e take die throway. Wetin una no know wetin una dey talk? Una go dey do racism. Na una dey do na we Africans dey do the racism pass. Last time the other girl wey bring im matter come outside say dem carry 2 children, the Ghana man. Dem wan talk na. Dem say na una dey go marry Ghana man. Our people wey still dey marry us, dem no dey do us, dem no dey show us pepper. Go our countries make you don see as many people don frustrate in the name of marriage. Marriage matter e no reach to get depression. Instead of una to see white wey una go talk, if una get una advice to give una sister, una no go give. Na that one wey I no know whether una dey fear to talk truth. Mostly those ones wey dey inside this YouTube system, dey do say God call dem, dem wan preach word of God. If person bring matter come meet dem, dem go dey fear to tell the person as e take do wrong, where e take dey wrong. Dem go dey beat around the bush. Last time dem wan talk, dem dey talk say Jesus Christ say who be the first person to who clean pass make e be the first person to cast stone. Na this the same Jesus Christ na he go destroy Sodom and Gomorrah. Wetin make am destroy Sodom and Gomorrah? No be the same sin. No be the same sin. This is the same Jesus Christ na he be best friend. Him best friend na who? Queen Elizabeth. Who Queen Elizabeth be? The matter, e no let una take open take tell person truth when e dey do wrong and right. Na when e reach to mock person, dem go full the social media dey do. Our people na we do racism pass. Na we for me all these people dem wey dey come out because of their marriage issue dey come out. For me, I no see any help for inside all this matter because dem go carry you sit down, dem go call you, dem go ask you how una take do. At the end, nothing. Na your matter dey go. So our people, earlier the better we go wake up for our slumber. Earlier the better, because this life e no go help us. All this life wey we dey claim say na e be, e no go help us. If our sister get depression, are we not there for him? They say be your brother's keeper. Wetin make dem talk like that? If our people dem dey craze, so you no fit help your people, na for you to go announce am say dey craze. Our Africa, we just get long way to go. Me I dey see am every time. See as dey see our people dey social media, dey insult theirself, dey cuss theirself. Wetin be all those one? Heaviness, bitey, pork nose. Dem go dey do say e no reach me, e no do this one. Oyibo say wey we come their country, una dey see life wey dey live. Una no dey see how dem take dey live their life. They are very simple. But we, if we wan do, we no fit be like Oyibo 100 years to come. Because who don lead person be say e don lead person. Who don pass person, e don pass person for life. There is no way you can reach that person for life again. Anything you like, do. There is no way. Oyibo, they don pass us be say they don pass us. E no get as we go take be like them because their life, you no see. If they wan draw, if they draw Jesus Christ, they say na white man. They draw devil, they say na black man. And na so e be. Na our heart, na so e be. Na make them see say, na we be the devil. Jesus Christ na be the white man. All these things where white people they do for us, as they give our children money for the robe, they do. If na our country, we no go give them. We no give them. After everything, they'll say, God not there when we dey suffer all this thing. Our mind is not good. Our mind is not good. See as we dey clear ourselves for Africa. That one fear not let them talk. And if you reach tradition, they'll say, tradition. Who says tradition? See as they bush us for border of this thing. For Togo. Because why? We don't destroy our land finish. We dey run live and we don't forget say we go see go meet am the way we take destroy am. See how they butcher our brothers. See how they butcher us. Because why? Na so run. We go do say our country wetin dey happen no concern us, but it concern us. So run now they run every day, run up and down, go Ghana, go South Africa, everywhere. Now they go, they kill us, they throw away. Because why? It no concern us. So anything we like, we go do for our country. Later it go concern us. As they kill us, so it no concern us. Africa, beg, may we wake up for our slumber. I know you say the talk for this video and make it too long. Make people not come get time to watch am because many people get work to do. Not be say they'll come sit down for social media and doing nothing, wasting their time. This is just short note. The part 2 will come outside. Because I never finish waiting the read they happen. I bet me will try to love one another, to show love to each other. May we not dey fear to talk truth, make it come be say they no want donate for us, donate for my ministry. If you talk true, not be go make dem not donate for your ministry. Who say not go watch you because say you tell her truth? Let her go. Let him go. You don't do your own. Be say you don't do your own. Muna no dey fear eye to talk. According to one woman, he say in fear no. I say talk this matter self. He say dead man fear no coffee. I like as that lady take talk. Because we Africa, we dey fear to talk truth. If we talk, the person go vex. Let her vex. You've said your own. Try make we dey open this mouth where God give us. Tell your neighbor truth. So that we go know the way we go dey take dey correct our life dey go. Na be life. Na be life. See oyibo as they live their life. Anything where you do for Europe, it concern them. They not go see you for road say you do rubbish, you not concern. They go mind you. May we learn the sense. See our Africa, it don't finish. It don't finish. See as our youth they kill themselves. See, that one a life. We see there here the same thing. Heavy nose. We there here they do the one where consign us. The one where not consign us, but the one where consign us. Our people may wake up for a slumber. We better wake up for a slumber because this life where they live not go help us. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please continue watching and promoting our video. We love you all.